TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 12 noon Eastern time on Monday, middle of the trading day, and we got markets right near basically session highs. You get the S&Ps right now positive by 48 points, trading at 33.36. Did make it to a high of 33.46 briefly this morning, but we're in the upper end of where we've been throughout most of the trading day. Jumping over to the Nasdaq, a little bit of a sell-off towards the beginning of the day. We're as high as 11,365 in the NQs, currently trading about 100 points off that price level at 11,260. We'll jump over to some of the tech stocks to explain why the Nasdaq is lower. You see Apple was up at 115.50. We're at 113.64. Some of the biggest names out there, even Microsoft, we were $3.50 higher at $212.57, currently trading at $208.96. Google, with their own set of woes, with antitrust suits from the Justice Department, trading $20 lower from the open at $14.76 to $14.57. Amazon shares hanging up pretty well at 31.38, was as high as 31.65 briefly. Facebook shares sold off as well, was almost at 260, trading at 256.02 right now. Jumping to commodities, you got gold up about $10, catching a little bit of a bid at 18.77. Silver up 35 cents at 23.44. Notes and bonds, pretty muted action. 10-year technically flat at 139.20. The 30-year minus 3 ticks at 176.30. And the VIX, to keep your eye on, folks, the VIX 26.82 right now. You're seeing an elevated VIX up 44 cents on the session. That's 1.6%, trading at 26.82. You're seeing an elevated VIX at a time when you get the S&P up dramatically from where it was Friday. But this market not comfortable with less volatility priced into it, as we are less than 40 days out from the election. Presidential debate beginning tomorrow. Everything gets into the swing. Equities making action today. Uber up more than 4% as they get a decision from a judge over in London saying that they can do business and that they're fit and proper for business. Uber up about 4%. Zoom shares down, actually. Look at that acceleration. Yeah, they were higher this morning. You have them down. We have some of the stocks with upgrades and downgrades. How about Virgin Galactic? Speaking of, up almost 20%. $19.61 as they got a couple of coverage initiations in positive light as well. And Pinterest, yeah, they're up 2% as well. Stay tuned, folks. We got our man Basil. Who's coming up? Yes, we have a replay. That's why. Replay this hour of our 10 o'clock program. But then Steve Rhodes live at 1 o'clock. Dave White live at 2 o'clock. Tom O'Brien live at 3 o'clock. Live programming for the final few hours of the trading day. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.